Welcome back to ViperrTrades, and today we're gonna switch up and we're gonna do an Ethereum price update. So, for those of you that actually watched my last video on Bitcoin, as you can see, let's just go on the hourly. So I did mention that the highs will get taken out. So as you can see, these highs did get taken out at 24.9k. So you can see here, these highs did get taken out. However, we failed to hold above 24.7k, as I mentioned, which was a key level for us to hold. So this level here, as you can see, is a straight rejection. So yeah, right now we'll look to see. We'll look for a move into the 4-hour fair value gap. So that's just a quick Bitcoin recap for those of you that watched my previous video. But today we're going to be discussing Ethereum. So if you go back on the chart, so yeah, as you can see, we did discuss this a long time ago. For those that were on the Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined already, the Telegram channel is free, and I also have a free newsletter as well where I post my updates. I should be doing a write up today. So if you're not in already, do go join the two of those. They're in the description below. You don't want to miss out. So yeah, Ethereum. Yeah, of course, this projection played out decently. Did this a long time ago. But yeah, we traded the range. But yeah, right now, what I'm just gonna look for right now is to just trade the weekly range. So I'm not really looking for too much per se. Just gonna see what the weekly range can provide. So yeah, it's a simple plan really. So off the weekly, let's go on the daily. So my plan is simple really. It's a really simple plan. As you can see here, got the daily fair value gap here. If we're to do that, and here you got daily fair value gap there. So what I'm looking for right now is just a retracement into the daily fair value gap, and I'll be looking for longs around this area here. So if I'm to do that, you got your you got a point of interest here. So yeah, I think I'm just looking to long at this level right here, somewhere here at the body open of this point of interest here. So that's what I'm looking to that's my point of interest. That's where I'm looking to long. So yeah, it's nothing too complicated at all. Nothing too complicated. So ideally, what I want to see is something like this, and then we take out the range highs, and yeah, off that, might deviate back down. Who knows? But right now, as long as it's still bullish, as you can see, the structure is still bullish. So as long as it's still bullish, I'm still gonna look for longs into range high, and yeah, we'll see what happens afterwards. But of course, you can see these are nice lows as well over here. These are nice lows that could also be taken out. So say we do something like this, you could play the short back down to take out those lows. Because as you can see here, this whole move here is a very thin move, and it hasn't been filled yet. That imbalance there hasn't been filled at all. So there's a possibility that we can fill it. However, I'm still looking for us to take out the highs before we fill it. But of course, we'll see what happens. We'll see how the stock market opens this week as well. As crypto does follow SPX as well, and it doesn't follow it to a T, but it does follow, and it's important to know our dollar index as well. So yeah, for that, got a nice rejection here of this level Got a nice rejection here. And this wave saw the crypto rally. But for now, I'm looking for a rejection again. I'm just looking for this to reject, and a little bit more downside for us to get a little bit more relief. So yeah, we hope this can act as resistance again. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now, to be honest. I'm not really looking at anything too much. And for those of you that are trading crypto, right now it's good to use small size. We don't know when the bottom will be. I don't believe this is the bottom per se, but of course I'm still eyeing this level right now for Bitcoin, 29K, before anything else. So that's what I'm looking at, to simply put it. For those of you that have been following me for a while, the plan is still intact. Of course, we've been riding this upside since 20K. So it was around here, and I've been calling for this 29K since around here. So we'll see if it gives. Of course, right now, it's playing out very well, but we'll see what happens in the next coming weeks. So for those of you that enjoyed this video, if you could hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest cryptocurrency and stock market updates. And I'll catch you